Why the hell are so many fandoms of mine getting so much drama all of a sudden? For example, my favorite community, Dandy's World, is getting a lot of drama surrounding an old topic of a certain file. Another fandom of mine and lots of drama is Cookie Run Kingdom. They have been using AI for their art. I feel like I'm cursed with finding fandoms with a painfully big amount of drama. This year is already bad, and it's literally the start of summer, which is supposed to be the happiest period of this year. At this point, can you guys suggest some communities for me to join? I want to escape drama from some of my favorite fandoms. I would love to see the variety of fandoms you guys suggest. Finny rants out.